welcome to all of you in my YouTube channel. Today I give you some information about the neurons of our brain. Neurons. Your brain is made approximately 100 billion nerve cells called neurons. Neurons have the amazing ability to gather and transmit electrochemical signals. They are something like the gates and wires in a computer. Neurons share the same characteristics and have the same parts as other cells, but electrochemical aspects lets them transmit signals over long distance up to several feet or a few meters and pass messages to each other. Neurons have three basic parts. Cell body. This main part has all of the necessary components of the cell, such as the nucleus, contain DNA, and endoplasmic reticulum and ribosomes for building proteins, and mitochondria for making energy. If the cell body dies, the neuron dies. Axon. This long cable-like projection of the cell carries out the electrochemical messages and nerve impulse or action potential along the length of the cell. Depending upon the type of the neuron, axons can be covered with a thin layer and myelin, like an insulated electrical wire. Myelin is made of fat, and it helps to speed transmission of a nerve impulse down a long axon, and myelinated neurons are typically found in the peripheral nerves, sensory and motor neurons, and while myelinated neurons are found in the brain and the spinal cord. Dendrites or nerve endings. The small branch-like projection of the cell make the connection to the other cell and allow the neuron to talk with other cells or perceive the environment. Dendrites can be located on one or both ends of the cells. So this is the basic neuron design. Here is the photo of the basic neuron design. So you can see how neurons design is look like. Neurons come in many sizes. For example, single sensory neurons from your fingertips has an axon and that extend the length of your arm, while neurons within the brain may extend only few millimeters. Neurons have different shape depending on what they do. Motor neurons that control muscles and contractions have cell body on one end, a long axon middle, and dendrites on the other end. Sensory neurons have dendrites on both ends and connected by a long axon with a cell body in the middle. So this is the basic neuron type. Here is the photograph of basic neuron types. Bipolar interneuron, unipolar sensory neuron, multipolar motor neuron, and pyramidal cell. Thank you friends. In the next video I will give you some other information about our brain.